Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today's video, which is going to be what I got for Christmas. As I'm starting to film this now, I don't have all my Christmas presents because I ended up in hospital over Christmas and I still haven't received everything. I'm going to show what I've got at the moment, and when I've got the other presents I'm going to add them on. So my nail polish colour will probably change, that's why I've had to mention it now. So the first thing that I got was this gift set by Ghost, and it's Ghost Dream, and it's got a 10ml perfume, and then it's got this mint coloured nail polish that's got like an iridescent sheen to it. This actually works out cheaper than buying the 30ml bottle. If you buy 3 of them or 3 of these gift sets, it works out cheaper, so that's worth noting. The next item is by Skinny Dip, and it is this gorgeous unicorn gift set, and it's the Skinny Dip and Carmex set. So you get the Carmex lip balm, the solid version, which I really like, especially at winter, and it's got this gorgeous pink unicorn lid, and then you get this quite big keyring, and that's why I wanted it, because it's got a gorgeous keyring in it. The next item that I got is a set of teaspoons. There's 4 in here. I basically wanted them because if it was like, they're basically heart shaped, and that's what I really liked about them. These are from Amazon, and I think they were £4 when they were bought, but they were £7, £8, so you've just got to watch to see them come down, because they always do come down. But I just couldn't resist these. The next item that I got is this Bubble Bath Merry and Bright by Zoella. I've not even smelt it yet, but it's a massive glass bottle of it, and it comes with this pom-pom hairband because it can be taken off, and I love that it's got this glass stopper as well. I believe this is on offer on the Superdrug website for either £2.99 or £3.99 at the moment. Another Zoella item that I got is this item. It's the Brumia Bath tea bags and the bath milk powder splash of milk gift set. Again, this is on offer on Superdrug. I think it's £3.99, which is worth it because I heard that these are very good. I've not tried them myself yet, but I'm looking forward to trying them. The next item that I received is this Morris & Co Body Care Trilogy. It comes in this really stunning tin, and I've never tried anything by Morris & Co before, so I'm really looking forward to trying this tin. This tin can be used again. If I can want to use it again, I can just take this insert out and use it. It smells very heavily floral scented, which isn't my favourite type of scent, but I will still try these. I then got this. It's an ASOS box, but inside, I've already took them out the plastic so it won't reflect. I got these stunning earrings from the River Island. They're very sparkly, and I don't think the camera is going to pick up how sparkly they really are, but they're just stud earrings with these dangly bits, these hoops. I really like them, and they were £10, so I don't know if they're still available, but they're absolutely stunning. The next item I received is this Lancome The Doe Lash Effect Mascara gift set. So you get the mascara, you get the bifacial. I think this is eye makeup remover, and then you get the pencil eyeliner. It's absolutely stunning. I've never tried this mascara before, that's why I asked for it, and I'm really looking forward to trying it. The next item that I got for Christmas is this NARS Man Ray NARS Love Triangle blush and lipstick set, and it's in the shade Orgasm. So you get a mini lipstick and a mini blusher or a mini blush, and they are very small and adorable. So you get the little tiny little blusher, which I've never tried Orgasm before and I've wanted to for a long time. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. This is very me, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And then you get the mini lipstick, which is super cute. I mean, how cute is this lipstick? So it's just a very small lipstick, which is adorable. The next item I received is The Cause new album. It came out on the 10th of November and I've had to wait up until Christmas to get it, and I knew I was getting it for Christmas and I've been dying to listen to it. The album's called Jupiter Calling and I can't wait to listen to it, and I can finally listen to it now I filmed this video. Another item I received for Christmas is this Stephen Fry Mythos, The Greek Myths Retold. I actually asked for this book after I think I saw him on a chat show and he was talking about it, and it just really fascinated me. The only disappointing thing about this is this cover is very, very thin. Normally on a hardback book it's really thick, so I feel like it's going to rip easily, but I'm looking forward to having a read. The next item of clothing, well, the next Christmas present I received are this pyjama set from Tesco. It's just this it's like a very, very soft faux fur type material with rose gold stars on, and it comes with long sleeve top and long pyjama bottoms, and it's just really stunning, really soft to touch, so I'm looking forward to putting them on. The next item is going to reflect a lot, I bet, is this Misguided Babe Power perfume and pom-pom keyring. I tried this perfume in November or October. I got quite a few samples in Superdrug orders. Every time I ordered something I would get a sample, and I didn't think it would be very nice. I thought it would be horrible, but I absolutely love it. I shouldn't judge it on the brand or how it looks because it smells absolutely amazing, and I will be putting that on a bag at some point. And I love that it comes in like a little funky can. It looks totally different to anything else that I own. I then received a bracelet that comes in this lovely gift bag. It's wrapped in tissue paper. It's a handmade bracelet and it's sterling silver and it's just stunning. It's got amethyst shaped heart detail to it, and it means protection, which I like the meaning behind it. It was chosen for me because of the meaning, and purple's my favourite colour, so I'm very, very happy with this bracelet and I can't wait to put it on. It's really, really stunning. It's not actually showing how stunning it is. I also got a box of M&S chocolates from someone I work with. It's the pudding selection box. I think I've tried one and possibly two. I've been quite good with them though. Yeah, I've only tried one of the chocolates and it's 2 layers. So that's another lovely little present that I got this year. Another item that I got by Zoella was this All Is Bright gift bag. I really like this. It's like a felt fabric and of course it's got the copper rose gold zip. Inside are 2 items. The first item is this Winter Wonder hand cream. It's a small size. I've not actually tried this yet, but I'm probably going to end up putting that in my bag. And the second item is the Snoella Rollerball fragrance, which is okay. It's nice smelling. So that's another little gift that I got. Another item that I received, and I'm not going to fit it all on, but it's the Essie Advent Calendar. I actually got this as a Christmas present rather than getting it at the beginning of the month, and I'm going to do an unboxing video on this channel of this. So if you want to know what I received inside this Advent Calendar, the video will be coming up sometime in the next week or 2. Another item I got for Christmas, and I'm sorry this is like a little bit battered, but arrived battered as well. I got this Mark Hill Healthy Hair Don't Care gift set. Argan Infused Nourishing Minis for soft hair with Killer Shine. I have the conditioner of this, the big version. It's my most recent conditioner that I've been using, and I've also used the treatment as well. So in here you get a nourishing shampoo, nourishing conditioner, which is like the mini version of what I've got, the 2-minute mask, which again I've used on and off for a couple of years, and then you also get the miraculous Moroccan argan oil, which I've never actually tried. I've not actually had the products out, but I will show them. So they're just literally, like the minis are identical to the big version. So you get the shampoo. How adorable is this packaging as well? You get the conditioner, and as I said, my main conditioner, and it's almost run out, so I'm glad I've got this, is this. It's really good. I'm really impressed with this. Then I've used the bigger version of this on and off for a couple of years, and it is nice. I've not used it for a while, so again I'm really happy that this arrived for Christmas. And the final item is one I've never tried, and it's the argan oil. I'm going to be using this on my hair because my hair is really suffering at the moment, so I think that will be good for my hair. Another Christmas present that I received is this Alpha H gift set, and I believe it's for sale, or was for sale on ASOS. I don't know if it is now, but this is the little gift set that I got, and it's got inside the Triple Action Cleanser with Thyme. Then the other side is the Essential Hydration Cream, which sounds really nice. And in the middle is the Alpha H Liquid Gold Rose Limited Edition. I'm not too keen on rose scented products, but I've always wanted to try the liquid gold, so I guess I'm going to have to put up with the scent to try the product. Another item that I received for Christmas is this Liz Earle gift set, One of a Kind Radiance. How beautiful is this box for a start off? I got the identical set last year, but the box was just a plain blue box with a sleeve on it. It was this colour, the box. And inside this box is obviously the Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser, which I absolutely adore. There's two pure cotton cloths, Instant Boost Skin Tonic, and a Super Skin Face Serum, which I absolutely loved and I've been meaning to replace for a long time and haven't done. And the final item is this Zoella Gift Collection Treasure Me. With all those items in, I'm not going to unbox this on here. I am going to do a separate unboxing video because this video is just getting super crazy long and it'll take me a while to get through these products, so I'm not doing it right now. Thank you for watching my What I Got for Christmas 2017. I'm sorry this video has taken a while to get up, but when it was Christmas I was actually in hospital, so I didn't get my presents for quite a few days after Christmas, and then I just didn't feel up to filming this video. But I still thought I would put the video up because a lot of these products are still available to buy as I film this now, and people might be interested to see what I got because I really enjoy watching these videos, and sometimes it gives me ideas of things that I might want to get, but it's just lovely to see the gifts that everyone got. If you have any questions about any of the items, please leave a comment down below and I'll reply. Also check out my blog, which is always linked down below, because at some point there will be a blog post with more details about all the items that I got for Christmas, and also over the course of the next month or so there will be reviews on some of these products. If you're interested in any of the products, just check it out because there will be reviews at some point. If you've done a What I Got for Christmas video 2017, please leave it below because I'd love to watch it if I've not already seen it. And thank you for watching. I will be back again very soon with another video. I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas and has had a good start to the new year. Bye everyone.